Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Friday, it's raining. I actually turned down a $14 offer because it was pouring rain. It was so bad, I turned the app off and said, I'm going home. Stayed there for a couple minutes, rain slowed down, I turned the app on, and I got an easy one. $7, 11 minutes or less. It's just really, I could walk there, it's that close. Let's go grab it. Hi, Ubereats for Brittany. Brittany. Perfect, thank you. You too. Believe it or not, that last order only took 6 minutes. I got this one immediately, which is worth $8 for 14 minutes. If it's ready, it's quite possible I could be at $1 a minute right now. Let's hope it's ready. Let's go grab it. Wonderful. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hi. There's 1 and 2. Thank you. Enjoy. Another one that was quick and easy, under 10 minutes from pickup to drop off. Absolutely love it. So that puts us at $15. Actually, that puts us at $26.09 because we got this one. $11.09, 26 minutes. Love it. Let's keep the night rolling. Ubereats for Julian. There you go. Thank you. Appreciate it. So far, this night has been amazing. Everything has been ready. It's been quick. I've saved time on absolutely all deliveries. I hope the trend stays the same with this one. $17.65, 40 minutes. I know, 40 minutes. But you know what? If they're ready, I can shave time off, get it done in a half an hour, and continue to make money. Hi, Ubereats for Ryan. Is that one perfect? Thank you. Appreciate that. You too. Take care. Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate that. You too. How you doing tonight? Doing well. And there you go. Thank you. Have a wonderful night. You got it? Perfect.
Bye. Thank you.
Just leave it at the front. Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night. Those two orders only took 30 minutes, $17, 30 minutes. I love it. I'll take that all day, every day. That one was interesting, at least that last one. He goes on the intercom and he's just telling me to leave it there. No problem. I'm going to take a quick pick and I'm going to be gone. But he just kept saying, you can leave it there. It's fine. You can leave it there. I just wanted to say, don't worry, I'm going to grab a pick. I need to get out of there and grab my next order. My next order is $9.26 for only 22 minutes. I'm loving it. The first hour, I got 3 orders done. This hour, I'm going to get 3, maybe 4 orders done. How many orders can you get in an hour? Let's talk about good quality orders. I used to be able to get 4, sometimes 5 back in the day, but now 3, it's solid, sometimes 2. Comment down below. I'd love to hear how many good orders you get in an hour. Tonight it's going to be 3, but let's go grab this one. Hi, Ubereats for Lexi.
I told her to put some stickers on it.
Perfect, of course.
There you go.
Wonderful. Have a good night. Thanks. Sorry about that last drop off. I wasn't able to get it recorded simply because once I got there, she was waiting right at my door, not at her door, at my door. I had trouble even opening up my door because she wasn't giving me the space and then followed me immediately to my back trying to get the food. I didn't have time. I didn't want to say, do you mind if I just turn on my camera? I wasn't able to do that. It was a quick pickup. It was a quick drop off. It was great. What also was great, maybe, is this offer. $19.46, 51 minutes, 25 kilometers. Let me know if you would take this. I know a lot of you wouldn't. I'm still thinking, should I not? But I declined 6 in a row, and sometimes that Friday 8 p.m. hour just isn't great. But you know what? I know I'm going to lock in 20 bucks. Let's go grab it. Uber for Josh.
Yeah.
8 pieces, $10.
The boneless.
Great, thank you. Ubereats for Carrie?
Just 1 second.
Yeah, no problem. Oh,
There you
awesome.
go.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too.
All in, those last 2 orders took 45 minutes. You know what? Not too bad. Then I got this one, $15.68 for 36 minutes. I'm going to grab this one. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. Hi, Ubereats for Ernie.
Yeah, just watch your step. Floor might be. I don't think he's out there yet.
We're not there yet?
You're
Okay.
good.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a good night. You too. Ubereats for Logan.
Logan, yeah.
Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. So I've spent the last 20 minutes declining $3 offers, $4 offers. There was a $20 offer, but that was taking me so far away. It would take me at least 30 minutes to get back. No, thank you. Not going to do that one. So I'm going to call it a night and bring my night to a close at the 4-hour mark. That brings our total to $88.14. You know what? 4 hours, not too bad. $22 an hour. Could be better, could be worse. Now let's just go over the stats for today. First hour, I got 3 orders. Second hour, 3 orders. The third hour, 2 orders. And then the fourth, I probably could have gotten the third if I was desperate enough and grabbed one of those crappy orders. But I got 2 as well. So 3, 3, 2, 2. When you're having a good night, you can get 3 orders and get 3 really good orders. And if you're like me and you want to take those quick ones, just get them done. $5, $6, $7. Go for it. Take it. You can usually get 3 in at that point, especially if the restaurant's quick. At least that's what I do. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't, wait for those orders. You're at least going to get 2. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.